Hi everybody and welcome. Today I do have Sony ULT FIELD 3 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily find DJ control in your application. Here are we in the official Sony SoundConnect application, and this is the main menu of our speaker. Here we have to scroll down until we see DJ control. Here we have to tap on that, and here we have, as you can see, the DJ control. We have options over here.
Here we go.
As you can see, here we have the custom equalizer, even isolator. Here we have DJ off, and a lot of options like rhythm, rigger horn, phaser, voice, audience, scratch, drums, and the robot. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.